The first word that we're going to start with is beneath. It can sometimes be used instead of under. Beneath under under but it is safer to keep it for abstract meanings. Adubu masigi wahisi iko imaginative oiba wakanda tang kan ba wahisingda namana sinamna paibako. She married beneath her. Haibdi nupiduna magi thaktagi nemba mi amalu hongami haiduni artase into a lower class harisiko. Abstract oido physical oideba. Wakalda laiba dugumba pra physical oidaba dugumba wahigi meaning the sinagada wahi ne beneath haise hena pawto. Below and under. Below amasung under haibsigi artase yengse. They can both mean lower than. Hena nemba haiba lower than haise. Magi artase animaki artase oibi haiba. And sometimes either can be used. Aduga marak marakta mabani gi marak sida amadum sina bi haiba. But under indicates contact. Adu under haramagadi soknaba thengnaba ma taayabako. Example si yenga gyan tarni. Tomba put the letter under his pillow. Tomba na mahaki sithidu mahaki mon makhada tamami hairineba. Adu contact laitro. Letter duga sithidu ga mon jiga soknadro. Aduni adugumba matamda under haibo haise sina bi haiba. Lower haragadi adumana oida bi haibako. Adu magyan tasilo pasan kangjelo. With below there is usually a space between the two surfaces. Below haragadi surface ani dugi marakta ahang bakar lagi neba gap kar lagi neba. Example, we live below them. Koina moigi makhad lai harji floor gi maram da sinab neba. Yung building amada second floor, third floor, fourth floor, first floor hain lai nako. Below them haragadi mo koigi makhada floor dugi makhada moina matondo waraga koina makhada lai haidi neba. Aduna marakta ahang bakar lai haibne. Usually a space between the two surfaces harji. Both can mean junior in rank. When mag below harju under hargasu junior rank dasu sineba. Ai ikata ba rank da laiba. Sipai dasu police ki dasu rank makhada laiba. Adum da sineba su yaiba. Adubu under haragadi immediate junior do. Hek ai khada laiba do. Dugi junior do sineba. Beside and besides. Beside ka sisu yam confusing oiba. Karambano hai khangda nai koina pungsi sinab ko beside ka chap man sinab mi su laiba. Khangdam ni ko. Beside ana s yaw de bida beside ka haramagadi at the side of magi matai da haidi neba. We sat beside a lake. Lake hadi partner part amagi matai da mapang da koina pamami. Hai neba. We sat beside a lake. Hai se. Aduga beside said in addition to aduda at to muka hapjin ba ko as well as adusu at the end hai gumani ko. Example you say besides doing the cooking I helped Jauba. I see. In addition to sak thong bakak natana kari tawi Jauba so ina mateng pang sak su thongi Jauba su mateng pang hai na. In addition to that aduda at to adugi matakta ko lairi ba potuda muka hapjin ba haibtar. In addition to that hai lai jakret na hanai poram laram banya that as well as that and that adugi laram ba potu dagi amazu ko I do the cooking and help Jauba besides says and sak su thongi aduga adukak natana ko Jauba gi mateng su pangi hai na. Lona mag mandi mani adu kitang kena wiwani ko mai sina bagi style do dum mag sina ba style yang kan no gian loi tarangani Manipuri da direct handok pase dum English wahi city language city yamna rich way ni na kitang luwi ko adu dum gian tagani example ke kisi yanga. In any case or any way we can't afford pork besides Jauba doesn't like it. Koi oksa lai bangam de adu gi matakta Jauba su oksa du pamte hai ni maru ena Jauba na pam droni na lai drop yare natra. We can't afford pork koi oksa si lai bangam de cha bangam de adu ya maru ena Jauba su oksa si pam de na lai drop yare natra. The sentence lo silak pada sina bayai sentence lo silak lagi hanako. The lawyer pada sina bayai natra sentence to resume to da amuka ano ba resume to the sina bayai ba in any case natra anyways. Anyway hari support or confirm a statement. Anyway do na statement naman si sumi kana confirm to natra lali and may confirmation to ba support to. Do ano ba sentence am hoba natra na lotion ba natra na resume to ba muka hoba. In any case ID something more important oiba mahai baitar hena maru oiba por mahai the sina baitar. Will and would will go would si joy koi karino will si na biya would sina past tense or kamay or present si na rino kana koi confusing yam oiba gian ta deba. Do si example kay si yang kanta no gyaloy tarani. Would can be used in the past tense but will cannot. Would the past tense to si na biya adubo will the past tense to si na biya deba. The will gi bagi si na pam kariyeng si simple future verb form. Simple future gi verb form dako. I will be 25 next year. Ay matang sahi kun mga surani har na. Si simple future ne ko. I will be 25 next year. Immediate or spontaneous decisions or actions. Kudak was spontaneous oiba. Kugi warep na tagay kugi tabak action sing do. Lumutad si na biya. Tomba is calling me. I'll go now. Tomba na ikaw re. Ay husik chalage. Immediate oidro. Tomba na husik ikaw ram na. Ay chalage. Ay immediate decision ne. Kudak ki warep oiba natra. Natra kudak ki action tabak tu oiba. Lumutad si na. When asking someone to do something for us, kana kung bamday ko na kugi damag takari kung bam tobi na bayan hang haitar. Will you help me lift this box? Nang sige box ay tanggap pa mateng pangbigadra. Pangbiyu hay ko pangbigadra. Will you hay pangbigadra? Manipuri da dum pangbiyu hay jo. Adun yam pasatok na will you pangbigadra han hay buwan. For promises and predictions. Wasak wasakpagumba natraga future da thokadaba pot na haidokpagumba predict tawbagumba sineba. I will always love you ay nangu matam kudimukta nungsigani haibneba. Future natrasin natraga promise natra wasakpagumba nebase I will always love you haise. Type 1 conditional sentence to siniko. You will pass the exam if you study hard. Karigumba nang lalekana paragadi exam do pass tawgani haibneba. Lagi would past tense of will would si an bagi amaru na mai sinabam si kino past tense of will never mas will gi past tense never. Toma said he would come here. Toma hire me mahak sidalakani ana. Have the past tense. He will come. He would come. Never. Type 2 and 3 conditional sentences. This is I would beat him if he shouted back. Aina ma puram gani mana kari kumba. Ingonda laura amagadi hanna laura amagadi ko. Aina ma puram gani never. I would have scolded him if he had been lazy. Kari kumba mana matantala magadi aina ma bu chairamani. Netra. I would have scolded him if he had been lazy. Type 3 conditional sentence niko. Amaduna, I would beat him if he shouted back. Type 2 conditional sentence. In cases where both will and would can be used, would is considered more polite. Karigumba will na would si animak sinabiyabam pumdadi would sinahena polite weba. Haitar respect leba taksi kasinaiba pazabalonda haitar. Would you like some oranges? Oranges karapam gudra. Oranges karapam gudra pambra kana. Some yamna respectfully taksi kasinai na yam pazana hangbagi style do. Dugumba sinabiwanita.